I decided to change my boiler because it was 18 years old and it wasn't as efficient as it should have been, and it was costing me quite a lot of money. I had a visit from the council offering me the Green Deal, and it seemed a very good offer and one I couldn't refuse. I think Instagroup are very efficient. Their staff are very friendly, very prompt, very courteous. They laid down protective sheets throughout the house, up the stairs and through into the kitchen. There was no mess to clear up afterwards at all. I'm hoping it will reduce my bills and that I'll get greater efficiency. I worry a great deal about the future for my children and my grandchildren, what energy there will be available to them, and whatever I can do to preserve what's left, I'll do.